Hello, thanks for joining me. Today we have our first build of 2018 sitting on the table. Just came in from UPS. It's from Team Associated, as you can tell. This is their Apex touring car kit. Normally you can buy this as an RTR, but they do offer a kit version as well, and we got one in because I've been wanting to build a new touring/drift car. So what's inside the box? Let's unbox this and take a look. And as you can tell, it still has the factory seal right here. Let's cut that. You're greeted with a big bag full of bags. Let's just set that aside and see what else is in the box to start with. Here's a sticker sheet. Well, let's just open this up as well. Ah. So what's in that bag? We have a small sheet of Team Associated and Reedy stickers, an antenna tube, a very long one, some servo tape, a gift certificate for VRC Pro, the instruction manual. If it's anything like the Associated manuals I've dealt with in the past, it'll be very well written. Some sheets here that show various products and stuff that Team Associated offers. And look right here on the front, the Apex Ready to Run touring cars. And now on to the important bag. This is one that has all the parts. So let's open up the big main bag and take a look and see what's inside. We have a bag with our springs and our shock collars in it. Includes some shock oil, 35 weight Team Associated oil. Our front and rear differentials with all the bearings for them. Here we have the battery bar motor mount. Center drive shaft, spur gear, and looks like a front diff cover. Set of suspension arms. These are rear suspension. Little brake rotor there that uses for the wheel hexes. I think that's pretty cool. This thing does have fake disc brakes, so it adds a little bit of look to realism. Here we have a center brace, shock towers, bumper. I like how all the bags are labeled. Here we have the front suspension. Here's the rear gearbox, the lower assembly for it. And the final bag we have here is the chassis. It also says it has the front gearbox and steering in it as well. And here we have it, all the odds and ends and parts that's going to make up this Apex touring car. Why did I go with the Apex instead of like a TC4 or some other brand out there or kit? Well, the reason is yes, the Apex does come with plastic steering links and plastic upper suspension links, and they're non-adjustable. That's okay because that is a cheap thing to swap out. But the advantage of this kit is I got it for about 90 bucks shipped to my door from Tower Hobbies. So that price point to me made it worth going with this kit. Since I'm not looking for a hardcore racer, this is just going to be a bash and fun car. If I was going for a hardcore racer, then I would have gotten like a TC4 or something like that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. The next thing up is we're going to build this car and have a little bit of fun with it. So please stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and happy RCing.